people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking today's video. Today I'm sharing my daily cleaning routine. There are necessities and priorities that I do every day just to maintain my house. Today I'm here to encourage you to develop a routine of your own so that your house will stay clean and neat on a daily basis. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Even if you don't enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new or you have been watching and you haven't subscribed already. With that, let's get to the video. I'm starting off in my bedroom. I make my bed every morning, every day. If you do that too, I promise you, you won't regret it. Making your bed every morning makes your room look cleaner because the bed is like 45 or 50% of your room. So if your bed is made, you will instantly make your room look cleaner. And another thing about making your bed, it's a good habit. And you know what they say, good habits, good life. Besides, I think making your bed is a simple thing and it just builds up your confidence to take on bigger tasks for that day. You'll even have a better sleep versus when you didn't make your bed. I would like to hear from you. Do you make your bed every day? Is it tiring? Do you just get out of it and come back to sleep without making it? I would love to hear from you. I like to do a quick tidy up in here. That box had my makeup organizer. I unboxed it with you guys already and promised to do an organize with me. But there is something I ordered online and I haven't got yet. When it gets here, we're doing that video, inshallah. I also sweep just to keep the floors clean and fluff the rugs so that the dust won't stay and build in it until I can do a weekly cleaning routine. This is my bathroom. In here, when I finish dressing up, combing my hair, applying my lotion, I like to take everything back in its place and wipe the sink so that when I do my weekly cleaning, I don't do much. I use a microfiber cloth and a Astonish bathroom cleaner. I don't clean the mirror every day, but while I was brushing this morning, I did extra and the mirror got spattered. So I got my Sufficient mirror and glass cleaner and gave it a good wipe. I change my bathroom rugs on a weekly basis, but the one I had before this one didn't have a toilet cover seat, so the water from the tub and the dust always looks bad on here, so I cleaned it up and covered it. I go ahead and dry the bathtub. It does so much versus when you leave the soapy water all over it. If you are in a place that is dusty, it gets everywhere, including the bathroom, and it doesn't look so good. So I make sure that I dry it. And I'm a believer in tidy as you go. Those little things that need to put in their places, I put them in their places, and then I dry the floor. Another thing that I clean on a daily is the stove top, because when you're cooking, there are crumbs that fall. This helps to keep it clean, because if you let it build up, there is going to be so much to clean if you wait for like 2 weeks to clean. So I like to keep up with it. I use Astonish kitchen cleaner and then Windows for the stove glass. Another major thing is decluttering and cleaning the countertop. I don't have much space in here, so most times everything is settled here, which leaves it dirty all the time. I use Astonish kitchen cleaner. The countertops are cleaned daily.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Because we have 3 meals a day here and the kids have their lessons here, if you have seen my morning routine, you have seen that. If you haven't, I will leave the link in the description below. There are always food crumbs here. The kids pour tea or spill juices. I try to keep it extra clean and disinfect it if I have to. Sometimes I even clean it more than once. This is everything I clean daily just to maintain my house. I hope I gave you some motivation to develop a routine of your own. And if you have one, I'm here to encourage you. Let's enjoy our homes. Until next time, inshallah.